Today, I'm sharing my secret weapon for a flatter belly in just 5 days, a homemade turmeric tea mix. This isn't just any tea. It's a powerful blend of spices that can help you shed those extra inches and boost your overall health. Why turmeric tea? You might be wondering, why turmeric tea? Well, turmeric is a golden spice packed with curcumin, a potent compound with incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. When combined with other powerful spices like cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper, it creates a dynamic duo that can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Number 1. Anti-Inflammatory Powerhouse. Turmeric's curcumin compound is a potent anti-inflammatory, helping reduce inflammation linked to various chronic diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. By reducing inflammation, turmeric can help alleviate pain, stiffness, and swelling associated with these conditions. Number 2. Boosts antioxidant defenses. Turmeric's antioxidants combat oxidative stress, a condition caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Oxidative stress can damage cells and contribute to aging and chronic diseases. By neutralizing free radicals, turmeric helps protect cells and tissues from damage. Number 3. Aids digestion. Turmeric can soothe digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. It can also help improve nutrient absorption by stimulating the production of bile, which aids in the breakdown of fats. Additionally, turmeric may have antibacterial properties that can help combat harmful bacteria in the gut. Number 4. May support brain health. Some studies suggest that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, may improve cognitive function and memory. It may also help protect the brain from neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Number 5. Potential cancer-fighting properties. While research is ongoing, turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects may offer some protection against certain cancers. Curcumin has been shown to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce cancer cell death in laboratory studies. However, more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. Number 6. Heart health support. Turmeric may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease by improving blood vessel health. It may also help prevent blood clots, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, turmeric may help reduce blood pressure, another risk factor for heart disease. Number 7. Pain relief. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help relieve pain associated with conditions like arthritis, muscle pain, and menstrual cramps. It can be used topically in creams and ointments or taken orally in supplement form. Number 8. Skin health booster. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects may improve skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It can help reduce inflammation, redness, and irritation. Additionally, turmeric may help lighten skin discoloration and promote a more even skin tone. Number 9. Immune system support. Turmeric may help strengthen the immune system, enhancing the body's ability to fight infections. It may also help reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu. Number 10. Potential mood-boosting effects. Some studies suggest that curcumin may help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. It may work by increasing levels of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which play a role in mood regulation. If you want to experience the incredible benefits of turmeric tea, give this recipe a try and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more healthy and delicious recipes.